Here is how to use the quick trimming among trimming tools. While intraoral scanning, there's a possibility to get unnecessary scan data. Quick trimming exists for deleting separated scan data with just one mouse click. If the scan data is not separated, it can be recognized as one chunk of scan data and be deleted all. If deleted by mistake, then use the undo button below to return to the state before the deletion. If the unnecessary soft tissue data is not separated from the teeth, you can use the brush trimming tool to separate them and use quick trimming.